Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create image component. So inside the post folder, I'll create a new file and name it as image.js. Hit enter, and here I'll type RAFCE, press tab, and I should be capital. So I'll change the small I to a capital I. Okay. Let me just save this file and let's go to index.js, and here I'm going to import the image component. So import image from /image. Okay, and here I am going to say image, and we need to pass the props. So the first one is src, that is going to be content dot image source. Okay, and the next prop, that is going to be caption. This is content dot caption. Okay, let me close the component. Let's save this file, and now let's go back to image.js, and here we need the props, which are, the first one is, sorry, src. Okay, so let's go to image.js src, and the second one is, okay, this we are destructuring the props which we are getting from the index.js. So the second one is caption. Okay, and now let's uh, import prop types. So import prop types from prop type. Okay, and here I'm going to say image dot prop, sorry, prop prop type, that is equal to, let's take an object, and here I'll say src and prop type dot string dot is required. Okay, and second one is caption. So caption prop type dot string dot is required. Okay, let me just save this file, and here inside the return I'll take an image tag, and let's do src, that is going to be src, and caption, sorry, alt tag, that is going to be caption. Let me just close this image tag. Let's save this file, and now we should see the image. So as you can see, we are getting all the images, but here the styling is not correct, it seems. So let's go back to index.js, and here, okay, this should be margin bottom, and I think this should be 12. Okay, let me save this file. Let's go back. So now the images are looking much better, and the margin bottom is also looking fine. So we have successfully created the image component, and in the next video we will work on the actions. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.